Hey everybody, and thank you for watching my very first birthday cookie creation. First off, we have the dedication cookie, as I call them. This one, and honestly all of these are absolutely adorable, and I was honored to be able to make these for a little girl's first birthday. One way I keep my white icing white is, even though when it is made it does come out white, but you add an additional shot of white food coloring to it. Do not ask me what white food coloring is because I have not a clue. It is edible, I know that. But these are adorable, and because there is a name on it, I did not show you me doing the writing for it. Then these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful strawberry icing adders for this number one are super cute. Again, I've mentioned this before, these are called transfers. All of the little strawberries in this entire video, as well as the stem for the large strawberry you'll see later, those I made, I want to say like 3 days before I started icing the cookies so that they could dry. So while this video may be 5 minutes of your time, these cookies in total, not including actually cutting, rolling, and making the dough, probably took me about 4 hours, I would say. The next one is the number one. Now I will say writing is not my strong suit in real life and in cookies. It translates over, trust me. One thing here you'll notice is on the one with the 4 strawberry transfers, I did it detailed line, made it nice and cute like every other video you see where they make cookies. However, on this one, I did what I do on all of the cookies I don't film, where I just squeeze the icing out and then I manually do it. And if you ask me, those ones actually come out a lot better, personally. So here's me doing the writing. I do it with my projector, and then I go back in and tweak it with my paintbrush that I use. But it came out really cute, I must say. Last but not least, this one is my favorite. It was also the most detailed and the most time-consuming one. It took me over 12 minutes to do each of these strawberry ones, and there were 4 of them. But they were so much fun. So I added in a little bit extra icing because there was a dimple, which if you have a dimple it means there's not enough icing in that area. So there's that transfer I was talking about. And then I hand added with tweezers I bought specifically for making cookies, and put on every individual strawberry seed that I actually also made as transfers a couple days ago, and then put gold on top. I don't know why watching this is so satisfying, but these ones turned out really good. I'm really happy about these. So after watching all 4 of these cookies be made, which one is your favorite? Comment down below. I'm curious to see which one you guys all liked. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please, please, please subscribe. My husband and I are having a bit of a competition to see who gets the most subscribers. And as always, be super today. Bye.